This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the Edge panel so it exists when you need it. Go to Settings, then Display, then Edge Panels, toggle it on. Pick at least one built-in panel to avoid an empty drawer. Next, adjust the handle position on the screen edge top, middle, or bottom so it's reachable with your thumb. Once done, set handle transparency and width to reduce distraction. These first steps create a responsive, comfortable entry point for the more advanced customization that follows. Now you customize the content so the Edge panel saves time. Open Edge panel settings and tap panels to add or remove specific ones: apps, tasks, people, tools, Smart Select. Drag a panel left or right to reorder. The first panel is fastest to reach. Add apps or specific tasks by tapping Edit, then choose direct actions such as split screen or compose. Make sure to enable multi-item selection where available, because that turns a single swipe into multiple quick actions. Finish by practicing and learning to use the panel fluidly. Swipe from the handle with a short pull to reveal the panel, long press icons to pin, edit, or remove items. Use split screen or drag an app from the panel for multitasking. This is faster than hunting through the app drawer. If the panel won't open, make sure gestures aren't blocked by full-screen apps, check battery optimization and permissions, and, if necessary, reset panels or clear the system UI cache to resolve persistent faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.